Friends, first take a clean boiling test tube. Now with a spatula, add little amount of sodium nitrate. We are heating the content, so to grip the test tube, take a test tube holder and fix the boiling test tube. Friends, now ignite the Bunsen burner and slightly heat the content on Bunsen flame. Check it out, friends. The reactant is melting, right? Now take a glowing paper and put it near the mouth of the test tube. Hey, observe friends, the paper glows much brighter, isn't it? This is due to liberating of oxygen gas from the sodium nitrate.
Sodium nitrate melts and decomposes into sodium nitrate and oxygen. We observe the yellow mass formed, that is, sodium nitrate, and the colorless gas evolved as oxygen.